Mark Joseph Coure, an Australian politician, is a member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly representing Oatley for the Liberal Party since 2011. Early years and background. Mark was educated at St. Joseph's at Oatley, then Marist College Penhurst in Coure. He was a business operator and franchisee owner of Mortgage Choice, a mortgage broking service. Local government. Mark was elected to Coure City Council representing West Ward in 2004 and was re-elected in 2008 with an increased majority. Mark has served as chair of the council's Development and Assessment Committee, the Assets and Services Committee, and the Governance and Finance Committee. State politics. In 2011, Coure contested the normally safe Labour seat of Oatley in the St. George Coure district. Mark was elected with a swing of 15.9 points, winning the seat with 50.5% of the two-party vote. Coure's opponent was the incumbent Labour sitting member, Kevin Green, who had held the seat for 12 years. Coure was appointed to the Independent Commission Against Corruption Committee on 22 June 2011. Coure was appointed Deputy Whip of the New South Wales Parliament's Legislative Assembly in 2015. Community activity. Director and Council's representative of Mortdale Community Services 2005-2012. Patron of the Peakhurst Amateur Swimming Club since 2011. Member of Oatley Public School Council since 2005. Member of Penshurst West Public School Council since 2011. Member of Lions Club of St. George, formerly known as Hurstville, St. George Lions, since 2003. Director of the St. George and Sutherlandshire Business Enterprise Centre 2006-11. Director of Oatley RSL and Community Club 2006-09. Chair of the St. George Relay for Life 2004. Hurstville Grove Neighbourhood Watch 2004-10. External links. Maiden speech to NSW Parliament. References.